Hello everyone, today we're going to learn about some music. And when you learn, make sure you learn it properly so you don't forget anything tomorrow and follow the rules. So let's start and let's learn some piano now. So, change into music. And now let's do this. Play at your own pace. Practice for free. 20 XP. Okay, I give it a try. D, E, E, G, D, D. Whoa. E, 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 D, E, 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 D, A, D, D, A, E. That's all. And yes, perfect lesson. 0 mistakes. I don't know how did I. Yes, strike 28. Reaching next milestone in 2 days. I'm close. Okay. Yes, 9th place in the Diamond League. Ooh, next lesson. Perform Thunder, Boys Like Girls. I know that song. I played that. It's supposed to be E. I did D. Oh, I almost became 1000 score. Play at your own pace. 3 energy. First, let me fill my energy up. 21. All done. And I hope I got 100%. Waiting. Yes, perfect lesson. Complete 3 lessons. Score 90% or higher in 3 lessons. Earn double XP. Yes. Now the next one. Perform I Love a Piano. Just like me, I love a piano. That was really hard. But I still did good. Song complete. Yes. Ooh. What's happening? Okay, now it's working again. I could start my next lesson. Play at your own pace. Again, 3. 3 flat notes. Whoa. At least I did 0 mistakes. Is left. Get 14 more perfect lessons to finish this friends quest. Yes, I'm finishing it. I moved up to 6th place. Oh, my last lesson. Freeform laundry song. A new song. Freeform laundry song. Oscar's version. That did look hard. But at least I did good. Yeah, I did really good. More than 750. 5th place. Today I completed 5th place in the Diamond League. Tomorrow I'll learn more and keep watching. I'll wait for you. Subscribe and follow. Bye.